In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Discover Bank mobile app. This guide is perfect for anyone wanting easy access to their financial information right from their smartphone. Whether you're using an Apple or Android device, these steps are designed to be straightforward and easy to follow. So, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your device's App Store. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, look for the App Store icon on your home screen, which is easily recognizable by its blue square with a stylized A made of popsicle sticks. For those of you with Android devices, search for the Google Play Store icon, a multicolored triangle icon. This is the gateway to downloading countless apps, including the Discover Bank app. Once you have the App Store open, locate the search box. On the App Store, you'll find this at the bottom right corner labeled as Search. On the Play Store, it's located at the top of the screen. Tap into that search box and type in Discover Bank. As you type, suggestions will start to appear. You're looking for the official Discover Bank app, so select that when it shows up in your search results. It's important to ensure that you're downloading the correct app developed by Discover Bank to safeguard your personal financial information. Now that you've found the app in the search results, it's time to install it on your device. Look for the button labeled Install if you're on the Play Store, or Get on the App Store located right next to the app name. Tap this button and, if prompted, confirm the download. Your phone might ask for your password, fingerprint, or face recognition to authorize the download, depending on your security settings. While your app is downloading, here's a quick tip. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid any unnecessary data charges and to speed up the process. Also, ensure your device has sufficient storage space available. You wouldn't want to run into storage issues right before installation completes. Once the installation is finished, you'll see the app icon appear on your home screen. Tap on it to launch the Discover Bank mobile app. If this is your first time using it, you'll be guided through the initial setup, including logging in with your Discover account credentials. From there, you will have convenient access to manage your finances, check balances, pay bills, and much more, all within the comfort of the app. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Discover Bank mobile app. Now you can enjoy the convenience of managing your finances on the go. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.